This is how students use our AI detector. Let's say you've completed an assignment by yourself without AI, and you want to make sure your professor doesn't think it's AI generated. Here's how you go about that. I'm going to trigger a tour to give an overview. I'm going to hover over this icon here and click Take the Tour. It's going to open a new tab for me so it doesn't mess up whatever I was doing before. First, of course, on the left, we have our editor, where you can write and edit anything. On the right, we have where you can check for AI content and rewrite entire sentences or paragraphs. And then, of course, we want you to use the floating toolbar for even more options. I'm going to click Awesome. Got it. I'll use some examples to show how this works. Let's use some pretty clearly AI written words here and check for content. This human probability is very poor. This reads like AI. Why? Because I actually went in and typed into AI, what's the role entrepreneurs play in society? You know, a very test question, right? It's going to be on one of your exams. However, in contrast to that, let's say I type in something that's definitely human written. Check for AI content. This sample comes out as a human probability of definitely passes as human. In fact, there is no even suspicious line at all. So using our AI detector is that simple. It gives you peace of mind knowing your hard work is recognized as your own. Let's say you did want to rewrite this paragraph though. You can always ask AI for an undetectable rewrite or to improve Tolstoy's writing or to fix spelling and grammar, make shorter, longer, change the tone or simplify the language or just summarize. But don't take my word for it. I want you to log in and try this right now.